Hello guys, welcome back to XCF1. Today we are playing something new Railroader. Joining us today is Gunner 4. We're running okay. So far we have got done not too much. We just unlocked Bryson. So this is his first this is his third day of playing, so he's new, so we'll roast him. He does not know what he's doing. It's okay.
I'm kind of bummed. Okay.
So I'm all done. I'm just sitting here.
How much? 16 passengers. Alright, wow, we don't have that much people.
Oh yeah, it's Bryson. So it's right now. It's do you have Whittier selected? Or you don't have Whittier. Just have all
What?
the. Oh, you're supposed to select them all at once. It's not the train. It's not the train.
Oh, I am.
You still got passengers here for Whittier. So pick them up here, and then you go when they're empty.
Okay.
Like yeah, you just missed out of 23. You would have just missed out of 23 people. So every time you hit Bryson and Whittier, just select the other two stations. Once you're done, like when you get in there.
Alright. Oh, it's here.
Yeah. Now is that all? Yeah, that's awesome. Now you would go. I can run faster than your train at top
Hey,
speed.
but that's already. Yeah, right.
Yo, Fabio, meet me at your back, passenger coach. Meet me in your last passenger car. I'm running there. The cool thing about this, the weird thing is your player can run at 44 kilometers per hour, at 44 miles.
Let me go and. Uh, I got one.
Oh yeah, I forgot this thing has a headlight.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You can sit down.
Not right.
Yeah, it's just driving, so this is easy. So right now our goal for it now is to purchase Traxxas Silva. That is our goal, but before we want to buy, we're buying the T21 10-wheeler for road freight, and most likely we'll use the uh uh the T17 as switching or something like that, but I think it goes well. Fabio, in settings, you can speed up time to just a bit faster, so we're not moving at such a slow time multiplier. Just speed up to like
Yeah.
a bit faster, make time multiplier a bit faster. Right now it's real time. Just like set it to like 4 or 8x time multiplier in settings. You press that little house button, like the company window house, like the little train station though. You just have to time multiplier a bit ahead so you get by faster. I'm gonna do some switching out with you. So, so hopefully we don't have anything bad happening, but yes. I'm looking at track cookies on the sidewalk. So yeah, five. Okay, I got the next thing what we're buying was.
Wait, and that's what?
So I think I took out a bit of I took out about a 9K loan because we weren't really making money too fast. It's fine. It's fine. We just slowly pay back money as we can.
Fine. Try these scratches from the back. Are they salted? On the outside salted, but eat the skin. This is with the skin. They're roasted. I peeled these little skin here. So you want the salt, you can try with the skin. They roasted the skin off. They go good with the sausage. What about these? Okay. I don't know if we use mine. We might do that. Go get no specific. No, the skin is there. That place. You can feel yourself in one feel. It's so good.
So we need $41 more. Then you can buy a really good locomotive, or at least a really decent locomotive. Yo, 5-0. Okay, I'm gonna quickly rejoin because I think something happened with either me or your side.
Wait, what?
Something happened. Like my game was glitched out. Okay, so nothing was working on my screen, so I'm just gonna quickly rejoin. Have you left Ella yet?
No.
No. How many more people do you have to load until you leave Ella? Like, you're good to leave. 5-0, you can leave.
Wait, what?
You're yeah, you can leave. You got no more people waiting.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, just cover your browser. over the
I'm
over the
still
like
I'm still loading.
you're not you have no pastures waiting on. You can trust me.
I mean, where do your passengers? Or
No, you're all done. You got everyone in there.
where does it say?
If you hover your mouse over like a little unit in that building, you could see how many people are there and like what stuff.
Oh,
You're good.
now there's your passenger operation.
No, because faster you get out of there, faster the rest of the freight comes. I can't really go around you, so you gotta start moving.
Okay, I'm doing it. So I just
But we need $41 more. If you have about 20, like if you have about 40 passengers, you could buy a new locomotive.
Alright, $41.
Yeah, we're $41 off of buying the G2. We're buying the C25.
Not in frames. I don't know
It's
one.
more the C25 traditional or whatever it is.
Oh, you're right, Jason. Wonderful. What?
Well, now we can finally afford it. We have $30 left now. It's fine. What?
How does the new thing look? Where is
What?
it at?
It'll be at it'll be at interchange. So just hit you with your interchange.
Okay. Wait, what is it called? The one that you just.
The NO10. That's the name of it. Yes. Ranker
How do I pass?
fast to I wanna roll number is probably number
I see.
3. No, it'll be at Whittier.
Okay. The trade. Only 4 passengers. That's crazy.
Yeah. It's also 1 a.m.
Oh, it's fine. I'm cool. That's
Wait,
really chill here.
I'll make it. I forget a bit earlier. Well, now it's
In
6.
5 minutes. Huh? Walmart. Probably more kids with. Yeah, there you go.
So
Bye
Fabian,
bye, big.
would you like a new passenger screen? Like a new
The train.
locomotive.
Sure, I'll see how it looks.
So it'll be the one what is running fast rate right now. It'll be NR1. Meet at Bryson, and just leave the other one at Bryson in one of the queue
You want to
cards.
go to where?
Huh?
Where do you want to go?
So when you're at Bryson, take the locomotive BN1 and put it on the passenger train. And swap out your locomotive.
Okay. All right. Let's see if we have everyone. I'm sure good.
And then Samuel just leave NR2 at Bryson. It'll be the switcher for Bryson.
Leave Edward to up fresh and copy.
So
All right.
leave
What
so
is
leave
it?
the locomotive what you have right now at Bryson.
Yeah, I'm at Whittier, so I'll go to
Yeah.
Bryson and then I'll leave Edward to there.
hmm
All right. Off.
Two of the city's finest
Greg the dog, hit the siren.
must come together
Bomb! Let's see, green, red, green. Aren't dogs colorblind?
and fight as one.
You can play the songs, I guess. These are all
Sure.
on Discord, so we're just gonna play some music.
Is a video over?
No, actually,
All right.
okay. So guys, that's the end of today. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Wix,
See you
one
guys next
platform.
time. Bye.